I like to have the such relaxation.
Now you forget the past. Another thing you have to do is to forgive yourself and not to feel guilty about anything. Very important. Because if you feel guilty, then this center catches here on the left. When it catches here on the left, you can get spondylitis. You can also get angina. So why to feel guilty? Whatever has happened has happened. Forget it. Not to feel guilty, very important. I know here people feel more guilty, not in India. They never feel. But in the West they do. But there is no need to condemn yourself. You have to have great honor and love for yourself because you are special people and that you are going to help the whole world. So respect yourself. And I respect you and love you. You please respect and love yourself. Thank you very much. Now, what you have to do is to put both the hands towards me like this, just like this, just like this. Because I told you these are the endings of the sympathetic nervous system. It's like this. It will open like this. You don't have to doubt yourself by any chance. Please don't doubt. Now, you put your left hand like this towards me and right hand on top of your head here. On top means away, not touching the head. You can bend your head and see for yourself. Now see if there's a cool or a hot breeze coming out of your fontanelle bone area, which was a soft bone in your childhood. Just see for yourself. If there's a hot or a cold breeze-like vibrations coming out of your fontanelle bone area, which was the soft bone in your childhood. Now you can move your hand and see for yourself. You can move it sometimes, you can feel it higher, sometimes lower, or on the side. See for yourself. If it is hot, that means, of course, you got your realization, but if it is hot, that means you have not forgiven yourself or you have not forgiven others. So please forgive others. Also forgive yourself fully. Please forgive. Now, please put your right hand towards me, bend your head. And see for yourself if you have cool or hot breeze-like vibrations coming out of your fontanelle bone area, which was the soft bone in your childhood. Please try, please bend your head and see for yourself. Now, please take down your hands, both hands, and put them towards me like this. And don't think. makes you think. Because I already told you have a right. It's your birthright to have this yoga, union with the divine. It's your birthright. Now, you have to put both your hands towards the skyline and push back your head and ask me, I'll tell you about three things, three questions you can say. And you have to say one question 3 times, only one of them. For example, you can ask, you can call me Mother. Mother, or Sri Mataji, whatever you like. Mother, is this the cool breeze of the Holy Ghost? Ask in your heart this question. Mother, is this the cool breeze of the Holy Ghost? Ask 3 times. Or you can ask Mother, is this the all-pervading power of divine love? Or you can ask third question, Mother, is this the Parama Chaitanya or root? Ask any one of these questions, any one of them 3 times. Now, alright, please put down your hands again and put them towards me. Please don't doubt, that's something very important. If you start feeling the cool or a hot breeze on your fingertips or on your palm, same, or out of your fontanelle bone area, out of your head, any one of them, then raise your both the hands. Raise your both the hands, those who have felt it that way. Those who have felt the cool breeze in their hand. Thank you very much. Most of you have got it. Up to you.